In this video, I will show you how you can use Stage Manager on any iPad. Now to do that, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Multitasking and Gestures. Now instead of full screen, just select Stage Manager. After you do that, you will open the app in a pop-up window, and the last 4 apps in your recent apps section will be shown right here. But for example, if this app appeared in full screen, just drag this app to the middle from the bottom right corner of the screen, just like that, and you will open the app in a pop-up window. Now to use Stage Manager, you can either switch between the apps in your recent apps section, just like that. Now let's open this app in a pop-up window. Now you can switch between the apps, just like that. Now if you want to open multiple apps at the same time, you can either drag an app from the dock over here to the center of the screen, just like that. And if you want to open a window from the apps available over here, just drag the selected app to the center of the screen like that. And this is how you can use Stage Manager on any iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.